Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn French. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's start. Welcome to French class part 1. Je. This is in French, means I in English. Next letter is toi, means you in English. Nous means we in English. Il, this is for masculine, means he in English. Elle, this is used for feminine, means she in English. Elle, this is again used for plural feminine. Elle, this is used for plural masculine, means they in English. Next is eux, means them in English. Madame, this can be used for married or older women. Bonjour, general greeting means hello or good morning. Au revoir, this is goodbye in English. Oui means yes in English. Nous, no in English. Merci, thank you. Beau means handsome in English. Then belle, beautiful in English. Merci beaucoup means thank you very much. Fille, girl. Garçon, boy. Femme, woman. Homme, man. Amour, love. Français, French. S'il vous plaît, please. Bonsoir, good evening. Bonne nuit, good night. Excusez-moi, excuse me. De rien, this is casual way of saying you're welcome. Je vous en prie, formal way for saying you're welcome. Temps means time in English. Jour, day. Moon, word in English. Monsieur, Mr. or gentleman. Raison, reason in English. Thank you and au revoir. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel.